Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add a donation option to your Squarespace website. It is a great way to raise funds for non-profit community projects or personal causes right from your site. So first, open your Squarespace editor, go to the left side where you find the donation option. Click on that, and then at the top right side, you will find the Create option. From the drop-down menu, select Standard Donation. Now, here you have to giving a page, so select the page. I am taking this one, and then here you have to edit your page name. For example, I am taking donation page, and then when you scroll, you will see a donation block is appear. Now you just have to double click on this, and then you are now able to edit this. Just click on edit section, and here you can edit it by the row count, the gap, and the fill screen, the height from small, medium, large, and so on. With the alignment, also, you can change the background and fill colors in the background like this. So that's it. Once you're done with changing, click on the save button at the top right side. And you have set up a donation system in Squarespace. Now everyone visit your site can support you with just a few clicks. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.